everyone, and welcome to a Trader's Journal. We got a good one on the list for you today. This is Nike, very popular stock. Everyone is very familiar with Nike. Earnings are coming out tonight, and I don't know exactly what's going to happen, but we got a good plan on Nike as of right now. So the blue line on my chart, that is the 100 simple moving average. The red line is the 200 simple moving average. So at this exact moment in time, here's my plan on Nike. Let me hop back over there. So my plan on Nike is if Nike opens below 61.40. So that's going to be the price, kind of the line in the sand, if you will, on earnings. The reason I'm looking at that specifically is more or less pretty good support level there. And short term on the candles, if the stock gaps down there, I think there's going to be a lot of buyers who are buying recently who are trapped. Now today, thus far, we are forming a bearish or black candle. So from there, if the stock opens above 69, that's going to be really nice and strong. So 69 is right about here on the chart. So if you open there or above, it really should run a little bit higher. If Nike opens somewhere in this general range, the 68 to 66 or so, somewhere in that general area right there, I'm going to be a little patient on it because that is a lot of resistance. So notice this resistance right around here. Now this is the all-time high area on Nike, so things could get a little tricky. What we've noticed on a Trader's Journal is this nice inverted head and shoulders pattern on ticker symbol NKE, and we have closed above that neckline. So as far as the trade is concerned, I do like Nike long term. It's a good stock. Phil Knight's doing a great promotions, and Phil Knight's the CEO of Nike. Anyway, at this particular point in time, there's just a lot of resistance in this area. So if you do have some shares over earnings, you could consider a $70 April covered call, right? Actually selling the rights to sell your shares at $70 for anyone who wants to buy them. But it really is going to depend on earnings. If earnings, again, gaps down below 61.40, which is right about here, I'm going to be looking for some bearish follow through and try to pick up some Nike a little bit lower. Here's the weekly chart on ticker symbol NKE. And again, the $51.16 price range, if Nike ever makes it back down there, will be a really good area. Could Nike open flat? It could, meaning it doesn't really do much on earnings. It just barely opens. If that's the case, I think Nike would be a buy. And the stop really at that point could be $61.40. $61.40 could be the stop. And really, if it opens flat, just figure out exactly where it opens. So let's say, for example, it opens exactly where it is right now. So 64.57. So if it doesn't open, which I think is a very small possibility, definitely it's a possibility, but a small one. 64.57 minus 61.40 equals $3.17 of risk. If you wanted to risk on the trade $400, right? $400 of risk. 400 divided by $3.17 equals 126 shares if your stop is at 61.40 and if you buy at 64.57. I do think Nike could gap up on earnings. If you want to take that risk, it's entirely up to you. But I will say, since today so far is a bearish candle, if it does gap up, especially above the all-time high, this stock could run. Come back for us later for some more updates and some more charts and some more stocks. Thanks so much for watching a Trader Journal.